Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Node.js in your Windows in a very simple way. How you can do that, just simply open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and then simply search for Node.js download. After that, you're going to get the download Node.js option. If you click on it, then from here, you have to select 24, the LTS one, the updated one. Select on it. For Windows, using for Docker with npm, well, that's all okay. And now click on Windows installer.msi option. If you click on it, click on download, and after complete that, if you click on this folder icon, click on it 2 times to install it and click on run. Now you can simply close everything in your backside. Now you can simply click on next, check I accept the terms in the license agreement, click next, 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 and install. Very simple. Now there will be a permission, click yes. And now as you can see that the Node.js setup is rightly completed. Now if you click on finish, I can simply type cmd, run as administrator, click yes. And here we're going to check it rightly installed or not. For that we can type here node space v, click enter. If it's showing the version, then it's alright, it's rightly installed in our Windows in a very simple way. So yeah, this is how we can simply download and install Node.js into your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in another videos. Till then, goodbye.